Good evening all, you're watching the news now and I am Bindya with the news at 5. Let's have a look at the headlines first. Nation celebrates 50th Victory Day. PM Modi pays tribute to the martyrs of 1971 war. Army Chief MM Narwane takes over the vacant post of CDS, gets to the chair of Chiefs of Staff Committee. 2 LTTRF militants killed in Kulgam encounter. And China's military exercise in dark of night, biological, anti-nuclear warfare and chemical weapons being used. And now the news in detail. The nation celebrates the 50th Vijay Divas in commemoration of war warriors of 1971. Prime Minister Narendra Modi paid his tribute at the National War Memorial today and took part in the felicitation ceremony of the Golden Victory Torch. Significantly, these torches were rotated across the country to reach back to the National War Memorial. Prime Minister Modi said that the citizens are proud of the brave warriors who wrote a unique tale of valor. Indian Army Chief General Manoj Mukund Narwane took over as the chairman of the Chiefs of Staff Committee. The post is meant as a stopgap arrangement to fill up the post that was vacated by the tragic demise of Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat. 2 militants of Lashkar-e-Taiba TRF were killed in a gunfight with security forces in Redwani area of South Kashmir's Kulgam district today morning. However, identity of the militants is yet to be ascertained. Earlier, a joint team of police and army launched a cordon and search operation in the area on the evening of Wednesday, and as the joint team of police approached towards suspected spot, the hiding militants fired upon the forces, triggering off an encounter. The Team Jammu demands more seats for Jammu under delimitation process. Team Jammu President Zorawar Singh along with DDC Pancheri highlighted the need of including Pancheri and Mungri into assembly seating list as the area has leveled up population as well as a pilgrim tourist as well.
तो उस क्षेत्र में हमने कोशिश की है कि जो चीज बने, सिर्फ पैसा लाना नहीं है, देश का पैसा है, जनता का पैसा है, तो जो एक रुपया जो आ रहा है तो कोशिश की है कि उसके जो स्टैंडर्ड है उसको मेंटेन किया जाए। यहाँ हम थोड़े बहुत ट्राई अभी हम कर रहे हैं जिन चीज़ों को हमें जिन टारगेट्स को हमने अचीव करना है, अगले 5-6 महीने में हम उन टारगेट्स को भी अचीव कर लेंगे। तो मेरा जम्मू कश्मीर सरकार से यही डिमांड रहेगी, एलजी प्रशासन से। माननीय जो एलजी साहब हैं बहुत दौड़ते हैं, बहुत मेहनत करते हैं और उन्हीं की मेहनत का नतीजा है कि जम्मू कश्मीर इतनी तेजी से।
The senior leader of Jammu Kashmir National Panthers Party and member of Working Committee Rajesh Pargotra in a press conference today showed his anxiety and concern over the consortium of BJP and NC ex-MLAs. It is just like the meeting of 2 poles, he said, while blaming BJP and NC of befooling people. Pargotra said that the leaders of BJP and NC in district Samba were not interested for the welfare of the public, rather were interested in amassing money and grabbing the land to construct palatial bungalows, restaurants, hotels and installed factories.
हम ये पूछना चाहते हैं बीजेपी वालों से कि प्रधानमंत्री जी आपने लाल किले के ऊपर ये अनाउंस किया था, ना मैं खाऊंगा ना खाने दूंगा, लेकिन आपने जिस तरीके से भ्रष्ट नेताओं को बीजेपी में शामिल करके ये साबित कर दिया कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी एक लुटेरों का टोला है, ये दल बदलुओं का टोला है और पैंथर्स पार्टी इसको टॉलरेट करने के लिए तैयार नहीं है। और
Celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, 7th Mega Awareness and Training Camp was organized at Town Hall Handwara, District Kupwara by the Department of Horticulture to reach out to the farmers. Director General Horticulture Kashmir Ajaz Ahmed Butt chaired the camp with an aim to aware the farmers about different departmental schemes in vogue, particularly the newly launched Modified High Density Plantation Scheme. In his address, the DG Horticulture elaborated in detail the incentives available under the various central and UT sponsored schemes of the department like MIDH, PMDP, SMAM, PMKSY, Capex, etc. Kupwara, being a hilly district, Director General advocated for special focus on drought-tolerant fruits like walnut, hazelnut, etc. DG Horticulture further said that the area has a great potential in horticulture, particularly area expansion, as there is a lot of fallow land available.
अपने रेवेन्यू के पेपर देके वो हाइडेंटिटी करवाएं। अभी हम स्टार्ट में एप्पल में करेंगे और आने वाले टाइम में जो डिमांड है यहाँ वालनट की और दूसरे फ्रूट्स की, उस पर भी हम इंशाल्लाह काम करेंगे। वो हम इंपोर्ट करके वालनट और दूसरी वैरायटीज़ में भी हम प्लांटेशन। और मैंने चीफ हॉर्टिकल्चर अफसर फारूक साहब को कह दिया है कि वहाँ के लिए स्पेशल जो वालनट, हेज़लनट और जो दूसरे वैरायटीज़ हैं, लेमन है या ये ओलिव के प्लांट हैं, वो हम वहाँ देने जा रहे हैं। दूसरा वी आर कमिटेड फॉर ऑल, हम दे देंगे वो आने वाले टाइम में। हमारे पास पैसा आया है, दे देंगे। यहाँ जो सोपोर था वो एप्पल टाउन माना जाता था। अब किसी वजह से शायद उन्होंने स्विच और दूसरी एक्टिविटीज़ को किया है, लेकिन मैं चाहूँगा कि कुपवारा भी दूसरा शोपियान बने। दे शुड रिमेन इन टच विद मी। जो भी सहायता, जो भी हाइडेंसी।
Looking on to the demand of tourists for variation in touring and adventure rates in Valley, the Jammu and Kashmir Tourism Department has issued a fixation of tariff for various services provided by the registered tourist traders. Assuring a strict follow-up, the fixation also guides that if any deviation is observed by any stakeholder in the implementation of these rates, same can be shared directly for an action under rules. Moving on to the world of entertainment, Bollywood actress Nusrat Bharucha was recently seen in the horror film Chori on Amazon Prime Video. The performance of the actress was praised by the audience and the film got a good response from the audience. The motion poster of horror film Chori 2 has also been released. In this, Nusrat Bharucha and director Vishal Faria will work together again. Producers T-Series, Script TV and Abanchia Entertainment have decided to expand the franchise after the success of Chori. The film was released on 26th of November on Amazon Prime. A bad news from the world of sports. Female shooter Konika Laik commits suicide. Sonu Sood had given her a rifle. This is the fourth incident of suicide in 4 months. She was a resident of Dhanbad city of Jharkhand and right now was staying in a hostel in Kolkata. According to the information, Konika hanged herself in the hostel itself. Konika is the fourth shooter to have committed suicide in the last 4 months, and a few days ago, 17-year-old shooter Khushsirat Kaur from Punjab had also committed suicide. She had shot herself with a pistol. Khushsirat had participated in the Junior World Cup for India. Before her, Hunardeep Singh Sohal of Punjab in October and Namanveer Singh Brar of Mohali had also committed suicide in September. And from across the world, relations between India and China have gone through tension for some more time now. Despite several rounds of talks between the two countries, the problem remains the same. In such a situation, a shocking news has come out about China. China is doing a military exercise in the dark of the night, due to which it seems that it's preparing for an attack. The Joint Military Brigade of the People's Liberation Army of China is conducting military exercise in Tibet with biological, anti-nuclear warfare and chemical weapons. We must tell you that there is a dispute going on between India and China on the borders of eastern Ladakh adjacent to Tibet, which continues till now, and this is the reason why this exercise is being considered very important. It was conducted in the Tibet military region under the Western Theatre Command and the largest of the 5 Chinese commands. And that's all in this news bulletin. For latest update and more news, stay tuned with the News Now web and keep reading the News Now daily and e-print paper. Jai Hind.